Welcome to Tech Notebook. This video will showcase the TP-Link Smart Plug.
Okay, so let's move this Google Home out of the way. And also like and subscribe if you want to see more intros like that. So let's get the TP-Link Kasa Smart Wi-Fi plug. So the box looks really nice, it's really good quality. And so now let's open it up. Hard to open. There we go. So right here you can see there's some foam here. It's like, pull this part off, it's just foam block. Not really necessary right now. And here is the plug right here. It's wrapped in some plastic. And then also inside there is a manual, kind of like quick start guide. It's right here. And just put the box aside. So here's the smart plug. It's kind of nice feeling in the hand, but obviously it's going to go in the wall anyway, so it's not really that important. So this smart plug costs like $18 on Amazon. I'll put a link up here and in the description if you want to purchase one of these. So let's take it out of the plastic. And yeah, so here there's kind of like a TP-Link design. Let's get it closer if you can see it. And then on the side there's a button, which I believe is an on-off button. And then right here there is a QR code to pair it. Okay, so I have the quick start guide right here. And so it says that the first step is to plug in the smart plug. So I have the plug right here and I'm going to plug it in like so. And right now there is a light that just popped up and it's changing colors from red to blue. Okay, so according to the quick start guide, the second step is to install this app right here, the Kasa Smart app. So I'm going to install it right now. And now the app is installed, so I'm just going to open it real quick. And now it prompts me to create an account, which I'm going to do so right now. Okay, so now I've created my account, and now I'm going to add a new device. So you click the plus up here, and click add a device down here. Now you need to click on smart plugs, and this is the one I have right now, right here, so I'm just going to click on it. Okay, I plugged it in, so I'm going to click next. And it is loading something, so I'm just going to wait for it real quick. And it is blinking orange and blue, so I'm just going to click orange and blue right here. Now it's saying connecting to smart plug. And now it's prompting me to connect to a network, so I'm going to do that real quick. Okay, so now it says it's connecting to the home network. And now I'm looking at my smart plug and it has a solid blue light. And now it is prompting me to name my device, so I'm going to name that right now. Named it Tech Notebook. And I'm going to select the plug icon and click save. And now it says, congratulations, you've configured your smart plug and it is ready for use. So I'm just going to click sounds good down here. And there it is. So now in the next portion, I'm going to demonstrate the smart plug's abilities with a light. Okay, so here's my smart plug right here, and I have the app open down here. So now I'm going to plug in my lamp into the smart plug. So just plug that in right now. I'm just going to bring it a little closer to the camera. And so now when I press the on button in the app, it'll turn on the light. And then now when I press the off button, it'll turn off the light. So that works. Okay, so now the first thing you want to do is to click on this plus icon right on the top left corner. Then you want to click on Setup Device, and then click on Have Something Already Set Up down here. So now you want to click on the search button and then type in TP link. And TP link Kasa is the first thing that pops up. So now you want to wait for a bit for this to load. And then it's going to prompt you with the login page, and you want to enter your email and password, like the account that you just created earlier. Okay, so now I clicked authorize, and then it says it's linking my TP-Link Kasa account. And so now you want to exit this menu, and now you're done. Turn on the lamp. Turn off the lamp.
Okay, that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to Tech Notebook. I will see you in the next video.